Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody. Let's take a brief look at the gold market as usual. So currency, as you can see, gold market stands with our expectation, and as we have said, that suggested that probably the market could continue to move higher. In the short-term perspective, this is happening right now. So investors mostly explain this action due to some by technical moments, short-term reasons. For example, as the dropping of the crude oil increase the deflation fears, and even in the United States, and that could be the reason that Fed could postpone a bit the rate hiking. Also, the significant demand in the Asia on the celebrating on the lunar New Year, so that's also makes some additional purchases on the gold. That makes gold moves higher. So but today, as you can see, market has hit some significant resistance area, 1240. This is weekly pivot resistance one, accompanied by the daily overbought. Also, do not forget that the 1240 is an area of the yearly pivot point, and here we could get some surprises from the gold market. But still, 10-20 bucks for the yearly pivot point is not really distance, so market easily could fluctuate with the significant range around the pivot point. Also, as you can see, guys, market has passed through the neckline of our head and shoulders pattern. Still, despite that market could take the pause in the short-term perspective, and today, tomorrow, we still think that market could pass a bit more, at least for 15-20 bucks to the upside, because where stands the big cluster of the different targets. First of all, take a look. That is this kind of the A, B, C, bottom, D pattern. That's also the target of the head and shoulders pattern. That's 1618 extension here exists from this A, B, C bottom. This is the point of the 3 drive pattern. So 1260 will be the really big cluster, and here, in fact, the retracement could over somewhere in this area. The chances exist for that. Because market will have to decide, market will have to choose the direction, because it will stand at the long-term break-even point, that is the yearly pivot. And the fact that market will complete the 3 drive pattern there, but because this pattern by itself is a reversal pattern, puts some shadow on the perspective of the further continuation. Because further continuation will change situation drastically on the gold market, and that will be something different than just a retracement on the big picture. Okay, that's why our first stage is the reaching of this area, and later we'll see what will happen. But right now we should be ready that market probably in the short-term perspective till the end of the week, maybe in the beginning of the next week, should reach this area. Meantime, today we can't exclude that market could turn to some retracement, because if you'll take a look at the 4-hourly chart, on the daily, this is overbought, and the weekly pivot resistance one, but on the 4-hour time frame chart, that's the target of our double bottom. So double bottom target stands, you could use it either the distance between the bottom till the neckline counted to the upside, or you could apply ABC pattern 200 extension, 200%, 2 times extension of the ABCD. That stands approximately 1246. So market could reach it and turn to some retracement here. But we do not want to see the deep retracement. It will be perfect if market will turn just flat action, maybe to stick somewhere between 2035, 2046, somewhere in this range. It stands for some time and then continue move higher, because major targets haven't been hit yet. So that's our current view on the gold market. And most interesting will happen when the market will hit 1260.